Get ready for AdvisorFi's 2-minute tip, starting in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, buddy! It's another year! Woo! I can't believe it! It's 2019! And the IRS has Instagram. That's right, the IRS takes to Instagram with piggy bank photos and saving tips. That's right, highlight of my life, highlight of my career. Finally, an Instagram account that generates the right content reflecting viewer demand. Oh, I couldn't be more excited for the IRS. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I've been getting a lot of feedback and I love it. It's absolutely great for me to create this kind of content for you guys to absolutely enjoy it. You know what we're doing this year? Because it's a brand new year, we're going to release a daily video for the next 2 or 3 weeks that's going to speak to all the latest and greatest for 2019 that's going to affect you as a business owner or as a taxpayer, so that way you can stay up to date with what's going on. I don't want any surprises for the people who watch my videos. That's right, I don't want you to be surprised. So we're going to dive in to all the latest announcements that the wonderful Instagram account of the IRS. That way you have the latest and greatest information at your disposal for you to make all the right choices. Don't let tax season swift you and pull you off into the distance without you being up to date. So without further ado, let's dive in today's 2-minute tax tips. We only have 2 minutes, so let's dive right in. Okay, so here are the basics. The IRS recently issued the 2019 optional standard mileage rates used to calculate the deductible cost of operating your own personal vehicle for either business purposes, charitable purposes, medical, and moving purposes. Now, what is the update? What are those rates? Well, number one, 58 cents per mile driven for business purposes, up a whopping 3.5 cents per mile compared to 2018. Number two, 20 cents per mile driven for medical or moving purposes. This is up 2 cents per mile compared to 2018. And last but not least, 14 cents per mile driven in service of charitable organizations. This has remained unchanged in 2019 compared to 2018. Now let's talk about moving purposes, only because underneath Trump's tax reform, taxpayers cannot claim a miscellaneous itemized deduction for unreimbursed employee travel expenses. Also, you cannot claim a deduction for moving expenses in general unless you are a member of the armed forces on active duty and you've received an order that you're required to move as part of your active duty. Other than that, you can't claim travel expenses on your personal tax return. Now, obviously, taxpayers have the option of calculating the actual cost of using their own personal vehicle rather than using the standard mileage rate, which is up to you. So it's entirely up to you if you want to go the actual method versus the standard mileage route. Now, since we have time, I want to give a shout out to an app that I would recommend in helping you trying to keep track of all your mileage, whether it's for business, for medical, or for moving purposes. It's called MileIQ. Basically stress-free logging, accurate mileage reports, all in the palm of your hand. It's an app that you can download on your phone. Pretty incredible when you're using it. Pretty much helps you automate the tracking of your mileage. It helps you classify your drives with ease. It also generates a lot of the accurate reporting that you would need during tax time in order for you to properly take the deductions that you need to grab as a business owner or as a taxpayer that's just trying to log mileage for personal reasons. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully that answered all your questions. That is the 2019 update from the IRS on mileage. So over the next couple weeks, we're going to be releasing videos for you to get you all caught up on 2019 and all the tax law changes that are coming into effect that are going to personally affect you for 2019 going forward. So thank you once again. Happy New Year to all of you guys. It's going to be an amazing 2019. We hope to be there for you as we support you in your business ventures. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you at the next video.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow us for more business and tax reform information. Hit the button below to follow. Hit the video over there for more. If not, I am going to touch your bucket. Thank you, America, and see you at the next video.